Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Klaviyo SMS with Twilio step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the account section in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Select the Settings tab from the drop-down menu. Click on SMS to open the SMS settings. Now, look for the option to connect your Twilio account. You will need your Twilio account SID and auth token. Open a new tab and log into your Twilio account. Locate your account SID on the dashboard. Find your auth token below the account SID. Copy both of these values for the next steps. Return to your Klaviyo SMS settings. Paste the account SID into the corresponding field. Next, paste the auth token into its designated field. You may also need to enter your Twilio phone number. This phone number is required to send SMS messages. Once all fields are filled in, click Connect to Twilio. Klaviyo will attempt to authenticate the connection. You should see a confirmation message if the authentication is successful. If you encounter any errors, double-check your SID and auth token. Make sure there are no extra spaces or characters. Once authenticated, you can start sending SMS campaigns. Review your SMS settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. You are now ready to use Klaviyo SMS with Twilio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.